The vehicle's going to be a black four-door vehicle, possibly a sports car. Subject behind the wheel.
It is raining like crazy. Man. This is one of the trouble spots. It usually floods here in Westport. It's not super bad yet, but could be checked on.
Rounds of storms came through the area, and it just kept on coming and coming. Very little severe weather involved with this. Most of the severe weather is now south. Here in Oklahoma. We appear to be under the gun for severe weather. I don't know what this severe thing is for, if it's for this morning or if it's for later on today. But yeah, you can see it pretty well.
It's kind of a dark and dreary day. It's supposed to be waves of storms happening this weekend. It already started and then going on tonight or this afternoon, tonight, tomorrow afternoon, and into Sunday. So, yeah, I don't know. This is kind of yucky today. But the temperature is okay. It's a little cool. I'm gonna resume my Friday tradition here and have some breakfast. Here at the topic. Breakfast. I think this is that transition time in the weather where we finally start really saying goodbye to winter. Let's do the topic. Breakfast. sassified.